Yep.
Okay. Inside.
The warm cookies.
There's somebody's car came out the vehicle.
Jeffrey, look at the warm cookies.
Look at the warm cookie.
Right there.
There goes the warm cookie. But a lot of snow for those like filming elevators. Nah. But anyway, these are long overdue. So let's take a ride. This is the 17th in R Garage.
And Jeffrey,
Yeah.
if you have to share a ride, it's okay.
Yeah. This facility built around 2010.
So how long ago was that? How many years?
Fif-
What?
15 years.
15 years ago?
Yeah.
Wow, you already know that already.
You go ahead
Why?
because I will take the next car.
Next. You have to share.
Yeah.
Share an elevator, Jeffrey. Jeffrey, don't be rude.
These are
So
Dover.
you're sorry.
Oh, sorry about that.
Are you guys going up for dinner?
I guess we're going. He's autistic, so he's going up. He loves elevators.
Because it's a snowy day ride.
Yeah.
And you have to share.
Share?
Yeah, share things like an elevator. You share.
Oh, we got the right car.
It's an elevator, not a car.
It's an elevator car.
You share with her too.
No lanterns in these elevators, which that is odd.
Okay, Jeffrey, you had to ask her what floor. Please?
What floor?
Oh, 5, please. Yeah.
Okay, very nice, Jeffrey. Yeah, Jeffrey's autistic.
Here we go. Down to the concrete abyss.
Oh, you're just So you going to university here?
Yeah.
What are you majoring in?
I majored in geography.
All right.
Geography.
5,
I majored in
6.
Well, my major was Spanish, but I have a major in Spanish and minor in French and Italian.
That's so cool.
But I haven't been in school since '94 or something like that. But I want to go back to school,
You want to go back to school?
but I can't because I can't afford it. And the only person that will be able to watch him is my husband. He just turned 22 in November on the 22nd.
Happy
So-
birthday.
And remember, they used to be old Catherine Pound, but now it's complete snow.
Yes.
And they got a new security
I
camera.
think that's fifth.
This is level 5.
Yes, Jeffrey. Say bye-bye.
Bye bye.
Say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas and happy holidays.
Yeah, you too. Thank you.
Bye-bye. See? Isn't it nice to share an elevator?
Yeah,
So you be polite.
yeah. Now listen to this.
Okay.
Here
And if
is
somebody comes in the elevator, it's okay.
B.
Did you hear what I said?
Yes.
Yes, and you share.
And we'll get Cappy on this one. Very nice.
Yes, very nice.
This one's black, but the other one are not black, but the other one is silver.
Okay.
Your fixtures, Dover VR, vandal resistant, ADA compliant. The labels is a ThyssenDover.
ThyssenDover.
According to Andrew, also known as Diesel Goosey.
Okay, are we gonna go back up?
I will try get the other car. Because, all right, let's get out for send up the 4.
Come on.
I'm sorry, Mom.
So which elevator are we going to?
That car.
So they might not.
Look at this, Mom. Look at the sign says on the sign. It says elevator equipment.
Yes, elevator equipment. So you could go meet Dad, right?
Right?
Now I get okay?
Okay.
Jesus Christ.
Jeez.
How much longer?
Oh, let's speed it up a little bit.
Do we have to go on upstairs?
I think they're busy.
Okay, let's go up the steps.
But while still lit, the one's still lit there. Oh, I hear coming. Oh, I think it's here. Oh, here we go. We're about in 10 minutes for,
Right behind you.
and this one are not black.
Okay. No, we're not going to. Jeffrey, you could drop me off on the first floor.
After that,
Come on, first floor.
wait till the doors open all the way. All right. One takes forever. Now you can close. This is just like the other car. The floor is dirty. Your fixtures, once again, Dover vandal resistant. These were installed in the 90s or the 2000s. ThyssenDover, 3,500 pounds capacity, 23 people, elevator number 1. Here are 1. Okay.
No, I'm not happy.
Goes up,
There goes that. There goes that main bank.
and that's it.
This is that's where it just came from. All right, let's take a look at this one. All right, here's elevator number 3. That button is very, very good. This one is this snowy day ride is low on fluid.
Is that what you're gonna call this video? Snowy day ride?
Yeah. This elevator is very, very slow. Is going down leveling speed.
I don't even know what time it is.
It's okay, don't worry about
Come on, anybody home?
it. What you gotta do is watch that peak over there. Okay?
Okay, this one is directional lanterns.
Ooh, somebody's been smoking incense in here.
Yeah. Here we go down to the concrete abyss.
And my hand sanitizer's gone.
Oh no!
Oh.
And look,
Mm-hmm.
look how dirty that on the ceiling.
Yeah.
This elevator is going down leveling speed.
It's going down slower than the
Slower than leveling speed.
Mm-hmm. They must have it set that way for a reason. Okay,
Okay. 6
6.
Dover trick
On the hand sanitizer.
is completely empty.
We have, the front part is gone.
Yeah.
They haven't put a refill in it. Probably because it'll freeze.
Oh no, they took it ripped the old you stop logo.
Mhm. Maybe it got damaged in that,
Completely damaged.
in that windstorm a couple months ago.
Oh, they fixed it.
Yeah, it still squeaks a little bit, but not as bad as it did last time. Last time it was like that.
But finally they fixed it. 17th and R, you did a great job
So far,
so far.
it's just that leveling down on the basement. It just takes forever.
It's going to low in speed.
Yeah,
Just like Andrew says.
Mhm.
Us know is diesel doozy.
it is. So we're going back down the basement again?
On AKA the lower level.
Low level? Okay.
Also known as the very low in speed.
Mhm.
Listen that loud
Did you get a
fan.
view?
Before we'll get a cab view, we'll go after this video.
Mhm.
We'll go up to 6 and we'll take a look. Look at the snow.
Okay. Okay, let's go back up to 6 and look at the snow real quick.
View outside.
As last time.
Look at that. Interesting looking LL. All right, let's go out here, take a look.
Drop your step, it's probably still a little icy.
Okay. Okay. Ooh, it's cold. I can't see the Capitol building because it's too snow. Oh, there it is. I can see it.
Can you see from over here?
Yeah, there it is.
Okay, cool.
You can zoom in.
Zoom in a little bit.
And look over there.
Mhm.
That is the stadium. That's the E Stadium project where it wasn't done for finish for last filmed here back in 2012. Look at all this parking garage is very, very, very snow. And it's oh, let's go back down. My freezing is cold.
Yeah, I got some snow in my shoes.
Now I'm gonna stump my feet.
Okay.
Yeah, it's snow off my
Okay.
shoes.
Call it a day.
Yeah. And we just
And that's the machine.
no, that's a machine room. That's all the way downstairs.
Well, it says mechanical.
All right, let's speed it up a little bit. Sound like a chipmunk.
Just up in the picture. It says 60 degrees here.
60 degrees outside.
0.
Yeah,
And here.
in here. And look, that's a big 6.
And you have a rail.
Yes. Now watch this. We're going to make a trick. My fingers are getting cold. I can't push the button. My fingers is cold.
That's why you have gloves.
This is just like the other main bank. The floors are very dirty too.
Well, they get a lot of stuff from outside.
Upper angle on the fixtures. There's missing a skipping floor number 2. Doesn't serve 2. ThyssenDover.
Did they take something out of here?
Yeah,
Was it the plaque?
yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Here are 1. Capacity 3,500 pounds. 23 people. Elevator number 3.
Mhm.
Classic traditional fixtures.
Mm-hmm.
This elevator is going lowering speed, very slow. There's our friend, Mr. Security Camera.
And do not jump in the elevator, ever, right?
Okay,
Right?
right?
And that can be dangerous. Alright?
All right.
Come on now, go.
There goes. All right, let's exit the garage.
Come on, you're home.
That's it.